Hello everyone! So, if you want to enter and exit Fastboot mode on your Xiaomi 14T Pro, first of all you need to turn off your phone, so hold your power button to summon your power off menu and swipe up. Now give it a few seconds to fully turn off. And now let's hold our power button once again. And when we will see Xiaomi logo, hold your volume down button. Now, as you see, it's kind of bleak, but we can see that we've entered our Fastboot mode. To exit from our Fastboot mode, we are to hold the power button. Once again, hold it something about 7 to 10 seconds until the screen goes dark and the logo appears again. Let's do this. Alright, the screen has gone dark. And here we go. The phone will return to normal mode and we will just need to enter a password when we're unlocking the phone, if you have one, of course. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.